Today we will try to solve the HackerRank SQL problem. Before solve the problem, we need to understand it, how to create a HackerRank account and how to log in into the system, and then we will try to solve the problems. You see that HackerRank website? Here you can sign in your account, HackerRank account, so that you need to click in sign up option and you can see this pop-up and you have to fill up this fields and then you can easily create your account. Also, you can log in into the system using Google Gmail account. So that is the basic process of how you can create your HackerRank account and how to log in into the system. So I have already an account, so now I'm trying to log in into my account and try to solve the first problem, SQL problems. So now I'm going to log in into my account, HackerRank account. Okay, I logged in my system. That is my account. You can see here is my profile. I also I have added my experience certificate and badges also. So before solve the problems, I need to understand the HackerRank option, like where I can get a HackerRank problems and how to solve it. So that is the basic HackerRank question. If you come to here, and then you can see the HackerRank basic problems like SQL problems, database problem solving, C++ problem, and also there have has lots of problems in here in different languages. You can solve it. So now I'm going to solve the SQL problem first. I have some SQL problems like um, uh, this is my SQL problem. So today I try to solve the first problem first and try to understand the requirement first and then try to solve it, how to solve these problems. So now I'm going to click the problems and I saw the requirement of this problem. So here the main story of this problem is we need to find out the query all attributes of every Japanese cities in city table, and the country code for Japan is JPN. So we need to find out the all attributes of Japanese city tables based on a country code JPN. So that is the question. So also I saw a city tables and city table has some properties and name, country code, district, population, so on. So now I'm going to solve the problem first. So what I'm trying to do, I need to write a SQL query in here so that I need to write the SQL query. I'm going to write the SQL query first, and I am trying to write select select start from start from city tables, right? City table and where country code is where country code is JPM. JPM, right? So that is the SQL query based on my requirement. Now I'm trying to run this query. It is working or not, and then if it is working, then I'll try to submit it, and or if it is not working, then I'll try to solve it or fix it. So now I'm trying to check it. It is working fine, and I got a output based on country code JPN. And here is the basic output. I got a five values based on JP and country code. So congratulations, that is the result. I have solved this first problem. So now I'm going to submit this problem and going to solve the next problem. So that is the process. So I'm going to submit this problem and it is compiling. It takes some time. Don't worry about it. Okay, I got a points. So that is the basic query problems, and I try to solve it and how to run it and how to submit it. So now I'm going to solve the next problem.